We want to show you this, a rare sight in Garrett County, Maryland. Take a look right now. What is that? Well, these are called snow rollers. They're created by chunks of snow rolling downhill or being blown along the ground by wind and picking up more snow as it goes. But you said to me last hour that this looks like a roll of Sherman, and now I can't get that out of my head.
You think it's two-ply?
I think it is.
Or it could be maybe a donut, too. But a snow nut.
A snow nut. There's a new weather term.
I always like to think of them as like tumbleweeds, but with snow. You know, they're just rolling around, picking up some more snow here and there.
But it's hollow in the middle. Like
it is, and the reason for that is that the light, fluffy snow that gets things going, that's in the center, and that wind that you need normally with that, it blows that out of there, which makes kind of that donut shape. It's pretty cool seeing that, and thanks for sending that in. Let's talk about what's going on. We have some breaks in the clouds already. 27, your temperature, winds are calm, no additional wind chill out there really this morning. Here's those temperatures for you. Most places, again, you're in the mid 20s this morning for the temperatures that we're seeing. High temperature today, 45 degrees. So we're not going to be as warm as yesterday. If you remember, I had us at 52 degrees yesterday morning. We actually topped out at just 51 degrees. So we're a degree shy of that. Winds will be out of the northwest. I actually have them between 5 to 10 miles an hour today. Your forecast, 10 o'clock, 29 degrees, 37, your 1 o'clock temperature. Most of the warm up similar to yesterday is going to happen in the afternoon. I have their 4 o'clock temperature at 44, and 45 should be the temperature right there at around 5 o'clock or so. We do have some moisture that's moving by. Most of this is going to be well down to our south at this point. You're seeing those snow showers there, but on the northern edge, including what could have an impact on places like Greene County, Fayette County, and the Morgantown area is going to be some very light snow. These are basically just some flurries that are going to be flying by this morning. This is going to be our best chance for seeing any type of precipitation and moisture today. All right, before we get to the 7-day, and I want to talk about the potential that's going to be there for some snow over the course of a couple of days next week. Let's play Plinko. You're saying, how in the world is this going to work? Well, we have our winter model Plinko because the closer that we get, just like the Plinko board, the closer you get to the date, the more information that you have. So once we're hitting the 7-day forecast, I'm going to really kind of make sure that you're aware that the closer to these dates, the more confident we're going to be in what the forecast is. And the further down that kind of Plinko is going to be at the bottom and really deciding where we're going to be with our temperatures. First off, Friday, Saturday, we're going to be into the 50s. High confidence. We have seen model data very consistent with what we can expect Sunday morning. This will be late Saturday into Sunday morning. A mix of both rain, freezing rain, and then about an inch of snow will be passing by as most folks are in bed. On Sunday, as you're waking up, you're going to see another dusting of snow on the ground. It's not going to stick around very long with just how warm we'll be going into that. Monday's system, not as confident, and we've seen a big shift in the track, well down to the south from where it was yesterday. This means we'll just be on the edge. We might not even see anything at all in Pittsburgh from this, but we will see some snow, and someone's going to get that. Right now, it looks like it's staying way down to the south of us. Finally, on Tuesday, we'll have a final chance for what looks to be a wintry mix over the week. This is going to be in the way of mostly rain, but some freezing rain and some snow will all be possible going into Tuesday and Wednesday. High temperatures cooling down heading into next week, and we're warming up into next weekend as well.